Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve system of linear equations, but this time I'm gonna use graphs to get solutions. Okay, let's start with the first one. Now we have an easier equation, easier system, and to get solution we need to draw lines because graphs of linear equations are lines, as you know. Okay, now let me write 1 for the first one. Okay, and let's draw the table of this. Okay, 1, let's write 1 here, x and y. And to get a y-intercept I'm writing 0 instead of x. Then x becomes 0, then minus y is equal to minus 5, then y becomes 5. And as you see, okay, y-intercept is ready. To get an x-intercept I'm writing 0 instead of y, so x becomes minus 5. Then the first graph is ready. Okay, let's draw this. 0, 5 is our y-intercept, 0, 5, and minus 5, 0 becomes x-intercept, and let's draw this graph. As you know, 2 points are enough to draw lines. Okay, this is gonna be our first graph. Okay, now to get the second graph, okay, I'm gonna use different color. Let's say 2. Okay, so the second one, for the second one we need again a table. Okay, x, y, and here okay, let's write again 0 instead of x, so y becomes minus 1. This one is easy, so if I write 0 instead of x, x becomes minus 1. Now 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is here, and minus 1, 0 is here, and the purple one. Now this is gonna be our second line. Okay, this one is enough, I think. Okay, now as you see, they have an intersection point. Okay, let's fix this one with yellow color. For example, this point is intersection point of this line. And what is the coordinate of this point? Okay, let's check. Okay, so it seems like minus 3, and 2. Okay, actually you can check with the this distance. Okay, from 2 to 5 there is 3 units, and from 2 to minus 1 again 3 units, and this one is the middle point. And here now from minus 3 to minus 5 again 2 units, and from minus 3 to minus 1 again 2 units, it's also a middle point. Then so this one is our solution. Okay, so which point is this? Okay, let's write minus 3 and 2. Okay, now let's check this solution. Is it true or not? No, it must satisfy both equations. If I write minus 3 instead of x, okay, let's cancel out this one, minus 3, and 2 instead of y, so it must be minus 5. Okay, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. And if I write minus 3 instead of x in the second one, and 2 instead of y, so it must be minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So it satisfies both equations, then it is the solution of system. Okay, now let's solve the second equation system. Okay, again I'm taking my color, my red color. Okay, now let's write again 1, and now let's draw the table x, y. This is first one. So if I write 0 instead of x, minus y is 6, then y is minus 6. And if I write 0 instead of y, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Now let's get the points. 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 is here, and 3, 0 is here. and we can draw the graph. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult. Okay. Okay, almost ready. Okay, let's say like that. This is our first line. Now let's draw the second line with purple again. Okay, this is our second line. Okay, let's draw the table. Okay, if I write 0 instead of x, so minus 2y is minus 2, then y is minus 1. If I write 0 instead of y, x becomes minus 2. Okay, now let's write 0 minus 1. Where is 0 minus 1? Here. And minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 is 0 is here. And if I draw this line again, okay, so it is like that. Okay, that's enough, I think. Now, again, as you see, they have an intersection point, and let's fix this one with yellow color again. So this point, okay, what is the coordinate of this point? It seems, okay, look at here now, and 2 and minus x component is 2, and y component is minus 2. Okay, let's write here and let's check again. 2 and minus 2. Okay. Now, if I write 2 instead of x and minus 2 instead of y, in the first one it must be 6. Okay, let's see that. Okay, 2 times 2, 4, and minus 2, again it becomes 2 plus 2, so 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, the first one is okay. And what about the second one? If you write 2 instead of x and minus 2 instead of y, so it becomes 2 minus 4 is minus 2. It is also true. So this is our solution. And this is the end of the video. See you in the next videos. Bye.